Hi guys, I am so excited to be here with you today. We are gonna do some DIY sprays. I love taking old bottles of some amazing spray that I may have purchased in the past. Once it's done, I clean it out and then I make my own sprays with different essential oils, a little bit of witch hazel, and filtered water. I'm gonna show you how to do it today. It's so easy, it's so fun, and super simple. So I'm going to show you a few different sprays that I love for any type of vibe. I have one that I use near the bed for before bedtime for a soothing vibe, one in my bathroom with my skin products, and an energizing blend in my office that I use to help start the day, between meetings and calls or even after a call to shift my energy. So let's make some of these sprays right here and now. They're so simple and such a treat for your home and senses. So the first thing that we're gonna do is put our actual essential oils inside the bottle. So again, you wanna clean out your bottle from whatever you've used it for. You're going to then let it dry out, and then once it's ready, maybe the next day, you're gonna start putting essential oils. You can use any combination of essential oils. You want about 25 to 30 drops of the essential oils, and then you're gonna do 50% witch hazel and 50% filtered water. So the blends that I've chosen for today, I'm super excited about. So we're gonna start with one of my favorite ones to have around the house. I like this one actually in the bathroom. So I'm gonna use 100% pure geranium oil. I'm gonna do about 10 drops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. And the reason I love this one, this is my favorite oil of all time, is the rose essential oil. And this is Rose Absolute. One of the reasons that I'm obsessed with rose, it's so amazing to open up the heart chakra. So I love this in the morning near all of my skin products because I spray it after I've done my morning skincare routine. You can do anywhere between 6 to 8 drops for that one. And then I love a little bit of vetiver. This is another incredible oil for heart opening. So this one I'm gonna use about 3 drops for the vetiver. And then this is always a little bit of the confusing part. If you don't have something to pour it in, don't worry. You don't need to purchase anything online. Take another product that you have with a dropper, clean it out. So it'll take a little bit of time, but you're just gonna go 50% into the bottle. And now I'm halfway through and you can see the rich, amazing color on top of it. It's getting ready to infuse your life with all of its love. And then I'm gonna put the filtered water on top. I leave just a little bit of space. Don't worry if you spill a little, that's part of life. We all spill sometimes and we can clean it up. And then put your top on, shake, 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 shake. Get ready. Oh my God, this is gonna be so good. Oh. Just this amazing rose, fresh. It's this energy that you will feel. It's so open. It's like an open heart, just boom, blast into your day. So again, rose, geranium, a little bit of vetiver, witch hazel, filtered water. Boom, you're done. You have an amazing new spray. Okay, the second spray is one that I love at bedtime. So I'm gonna be using frankincense and cedarwood. So for this oil, I'm gonna use half and half. So I'm gonna use about 10 to 12 drops of the frankincense. There we go, nice and quick. And the same with the cedarwood. Awesome. Then, just as we did before, half witch hazel, half filtered water. We now have our spray ready. Shake, 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 shake. The smell is so clearing. All right, our last one is my all day, every day. You will use this spray before a morning meditation. If you're gonna do a yoga class, after you've had a really busy call afternoon, your Zoom calls, or whatever it may be, this is the spray that can be used any time of day for every single need that you have. It's a little bit uplifting, it's a little bit relaxing, and it's a little bit invigorating and clearing all at once. How, you ask? Okay, we're gonna use peppermint. To me, this is the OG of now essential oils. This is the essential oil that I have been using for well over a decade. As soon as I was introduced to it, I knew that I had to have this oil all over my life. So I'm gonna let this be sort of the main event for this spray. I'm gonna do about 12 to 14 drops of the peppermint because it is just that good. Okay, so it's peppermint, a little bit of lemon. Lemon invokes that energy of alertness, of vitamin C, of opening up our senses. So I'm gonna do, lemon's pretty strong, so I'm only gonna do about 4 or 5 of those drops. And then lastly, the mothership that every one of us needs in our life, lavender. Okay, so we're gonna do about 10 drops of the lavender. You can do a little more if you want equal parts lavender and peppermint. It really depends on what it is that you're feeling. And don't be afraid as you guys are making these sprays. When you see it's halfway down, don't be afraid to just add some more of your oils, add a little bit more of the filtered water. You can do these sprays as well without witch hazel, but I do feel that the witch hazel gives it a longer lasting scent. So witch hazel first, and then we fill it up the second half, leave a little room at the top. I hope you guys appreciate imperfection because I think imperfection is part of life. So again, who cares if you spill? All right, ready? Shake, shake, shake. Magic infused. I hope you guys enjoyed. Those are 3 of my favorite go-to sprays, but feel free to have fun. Get as many oils as you want so you can play and try around. Don't worry about doing it right or doing it perfectly. There is no right or wrong. Just have fun with it and let the essential oils and all of that energy that you're gonna infuse in your sprays be exactly what it brings to you.